Founded in 1989, Endoscopy Support Services was created to meet a demand for aftermarket endoscope sales and repair. ESS is located in Brewster, New York, 1 hour north of Manhattan. We're here from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and we strive to have a real person answer the telephone every time it rings. As a full-service repair facility, ESS is able to offer a real warranty on the items that we sell, not only on the new equipment, but on the used equipment as well. As a stocking distributor, Endoscopy Support Services keeps a large volume of inventory available on hand so we can ship it on demand as you need it. Training has always been an integral part of the way we do business here at Endoscopy Support Services. We believe that partnering with the customers we serve is the best way to be successful. During COVID, we had to adapt and learn how to do remote procedure training and technical support. After rising to these challenges, we've now implemented this as regularly available to our customers. As leaders in digital image acquisition and creators of the iCap software, ESS is also proud to present Cloud Endo, a complete vendor-neutral archive for all of your practice's medical imaging. Since 1989, ESS has continued to set the industry standard for value in veterinary endoscopy.